This one bedroom, one bathroom apartment in Dayton, Ohio is perfect if you're looking for something small but a little bit larger than your typical studio apartment. This apartment reminds me of an IKEA model or a tiny little New York apartment with minimal space but lots of decorating potential. Several features of this apartment include a huge bedroom closet, a shared backyard and off-street parking, built-in bedroom and hallway storage, and the fact that it's cat-friendly. This apartment is centrally located to lots of great locations, from delicious food such as the Eastern European delicacies found at Amber Rose restaurant to the international groceries that you can find at La Michoacana. You're certainly not lacking in great places to eat, as well as fun things to do like check out the $1 book swap, Condorce Lanes bowling, and the Dayton Indoor BMX Park. The bedroom in this apartment is at the very back of the unit, and as you can see, it's quite a nice size for fitting a bed as well as a dresser in here. The closet has a ton of storage space for additional Rubbermaid totes or holiday decorations, and you also have this nice built-in cabinet for even extra storage. As you walk back into the living room, you get a great view of that updated laminated vinyl plank flooring that we've put throughout the entire unit. At the end of the hallway, we have a full bathroom with a nice little vanity and medicine cabinet with a little bit of additional storage for you. Once you turn out of the bathroom and look to the other side of the hallway, you can see another built-in cabinet similar to the one that you saw in the bedroom. This is a great way to store some additional kitchen items or just anything extra that you have that you may need to keep in storage. The possibilities for decorating this cute little apartment are endless, and if you'd like to see it in person, give All Serv Properties a call at 937-236-7368 to schedule your tour.